Hi, good evening. Cliff here. I've got a little treat for you this evening. I'm going to have a go at two planes in one circuit. Now, there's a little bit of a breeze blowing. I'm hoping it'll drop in a minute as the sun finally goes down. But what I've got here, I'll angle you towards it. I've got the Tiger Moth. Can you see that? On the runway, and my home built one, the Tiger Moth. The Tiger Moth I know flies pretty much hands off as long as the wind doesn't blow. That's the thing. So what I plan to do is get the Tiger Moth flying around the circle, 4 foot off the ground, medium throttle, and when it looks balanced I'm going to launch then it'll just be free flight in effect. Oh, there's a bit of breeze blowing from this side now, that's not good. And then I'm going to launch my own design Cessna into the circle and sort of chase it around a little bit. Hopefully, well, if anything goes wrong with the Tiger Moth, I'll keep the transmitter handy so as I can shut the throttle, but that's about all I can do. So on the Tiger Moth on the top one, so that's the one that's going to be flying hands off. And that one there. So what I'm planning to do is to take the Tiger Moth off, get it flying in a circle, and then launch that one into the fray as well. Tell you what I'll do, I'll just put that one over there, don't want the Tiger Moth landing on it. Put the transmitter here. Right, well now we know the Tiger Moth takes off. Let's see if we can get it to a nice even circle. Now this has to fly hands off. As it is now, it's just diving there. Because if it lands, I need the throttle shut in. As long as the wind doesn't blow, we'll be okay. Oh, see, it took a dive there. Let's open the throttle a bit. Right, I'm hands off now. The new pivot's working well anyway. This is exciting. Okay, I think it's running okay. Well, it's getting a bit low over there. Okay. Oh, because I'm going to be in the way here. Oh. If I can... Oh. I want it to be a little bit higher. Let's open the throttle a bit. Give it a blip of up trim. Oh! What are the odds of that? Okay, that's because I moved it into the circle. Took a slight chunk out the top of the fuselage there. No big deal. This one looks okay. Just off the top hatch, pop that on. So there we are, guys. That's, oh, broken my undercarriage there. Because it hit the fuselage. Oh, I took a big chunk out the fin, look. Okay, I'm going to have to abort. Quick, see if I can repair it quick. Not a brilliant start, but I'm going to try and repair before the sun sets and come back to you soon. Cheers. Alright guys, I'm back. I fixed the aeroplanes. It's about 10-15 minutes later. I think the wind might be dropping slightly. Okay, we're good to go. Let's see what happens this time. Tiger Moth is the top one. And that's going to go off first. Goes through the strut. Or did I put it in front of the strut? Let's go through, be alright. Battery. Okay. This one goes through the strut. Right, I'm going to move it right out of the circle this time. I don't want to repeat. What are the odds? God, the wind's got up again now. Look. There we go. Okay. Right, that one's ready to go. So, here we go. See if I can get them off flying on their own, and then take two. This will be worth it if it works, guys. Surely agree. Alright, if I can see, it went slack there. That's the wind. Put right rudder in. Right, hands off. Here we go then. The game is on. I want to catch it up so as we're both in the picture. Oh, this one's struggling. Let's open it up a bit. I'll tell you guys, my heart's racing. At the moment, though, I think the tiger moth's catching me up. We're almost exactly opposite now. Come on, come on, come on! I think the tiger moth is definitely catching me up. I'm on full tilt on the Cessna with a bit of down elevator to see if I can pump up the speed. I'm catching, right. Come on, come on. Okay, come on. I don't know what I'm going to do when I get there, mind you. Undertake it. This is great. I'm going to have to throttle back a bit. Oh, oh. Well guys, just for you lot, somebody suggested 2 in the air, there you go. And don't suggest 3 in the air. I'm not going to do it, although I could do it. Okay, not a lot's happening. Let's catch it again. As soon as that tiger moth hits the ground, I'll have to dump the Cessna, because I'm going to be straining the prop otherwise. Let's get, oh, tiger moth's getting low to the ground. Come on, Cessna. I've lost ground now. The tiger moth seems to have a bit more weight. It's less affected by the wind. Come on. Perhaps I shouldn't have throttled back. I suppose the next step is to have a cuttable streamer on each one. This tiger moth is just so reliable. He's catching me up. I tell you what, let's slow down, let him catch me. Mind, he'll eat me up if I do. I'll have to let it go over the top as well to stop the lines tangling. Catching me up. Where's the battery going? Oh no, he's catching me up. Do you reckon I can get under him? Do you reckon I can let him go over the top? Might have to sacrifice. He climbs a bit over that side, so maybe that's the place. Come on, tiger moth. I forgot which one I was flying then. Oh, Cessna's running out. Got to land. Okay, brilliant. Tiger moth. Tiger moth goes on. Get that one out of the way. Victory for the tiger moth. Okay, I'm going to bring her in. She's on full throttle and starting to fade now. Here we go. See if I can get it on the runway. Do it next time. Here it comes, and cut. Oh, I tried to go up around again. Okay, we'll stop there, guys. 100% successful. Okay, I think you'll agree. Big smile on my face. That was great fun. 2 planes on the grass, ready to go again, but lights failing, so I'll call that an evening. Thanks very much for watching. It's been a laugh, a ball, a blast, and tomorrow's going to be wet and very windy, so I wanted to get it done tonight. I'll just go and show you a close-up of that mechanism again. Just made it 2. I'll show you very closely. You can see exactly what's going on. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe would be great, and more silly going on next time. That's if I'm not building. I've got the chipmunk video to upload soon, and a couple more micro races going around which I haven't edited yet. So say subscribe, you won't miss them, and when this lockdown is over, then we'll be up on these slopes again, or up on the flying field. We've all got maidens, haven't we, for our models, so I've got a couple as well. Well, I'll have 3, but I plan to maybe test the chipmunk around the pole, and then try it free flight, rudder control, of course, when the time comes. Okay, guys, thanks for looking in. So I promised you a close-up of the pole mechanism. So here it is. I've just got a bolt. Excuse the silly angle. A bolt. I'll show you from this side. So I've got a bolt, a nut underneath, a washer, my piece of metal between, and then a lock nut, another washer, another piece of metal, take off, a washer, and a nut on the top. And they swivel around quite easily. It's greased as well, of course. And then a piece of fishing line, very light break and strain, down to each aeroplane. Okay, brilliant.